Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're headed out to the Wetlands Park for a day in the sun. We're doing some hiking. Boy Scouts. There's our Boy Scout. We're hiking right now.
How are we hiking?
Let's find your troop. I see some blue shirts. Here we go. Okay.
Okay, so we're up here right now, and my mom told me to vlog for you guys, so here we go. It is super loud! Sorry, I'm trying not to be close to the camera, but... Mom, are you having a good time?
So far, I don't know what to expect. This is Las Vegas, and it says the Wetlands, so I'm not really quite sure. Wetlands in Las Vegas? It's a desert. I don't know. Let's check it out and see.
I'm not sure what to expect, like what Mom said, but I don't see any mountains. I see one up there. You probably cannot see it, but I don't really know what to expect. So, Austin, say hi. Austin looks like he's up. I'm getting good. We're all good, so we're good. I know we're gonna be learning. So he said if you look out for bird poop or ants or anything, you gotta watch out for that because that's animal tracks. That is a bird's nest right there. That's a bird's nest. It's really cool. Holes in the ground. There's holes in the ground. Oh. That's pretty. This is looking really cool so far. It's not like hiking, it's more like a park tour. And it's been really interesting so far, right?
Well, you know what's really cool is that you can see like different trees. Like, so if you're from, you know, a different part of the country, you can see like different trees that are here.
Right.
You know, in Nevada.
Right.
So that's kind of cool. Like, that's a different tree.
Yeah.
It's not the prettiest of trees, but it's a different tree.
Right. Now these...
They said they purposely burn these trees so that there's no brush in here. Okay, to brush, they do that so there's no forest fires.
Good. It looks all dead. Look at all that. Yeah, fuzz? Fuzz? Oh, right. I heard if the wind hits it, it like makes it snow. It happened at my school one time, and it was like the best day of my life at recess.
Wait, is that fresh or not?
Is it fresh enough to drink?
No, but it's not salt water.
It's got fish pee and fish poop.
I did not see any water bugs.
They scare them away.
Yeah.
Those darn boys.
We don't see any birds yet.
Did you get a chance to look through binoculars at all?
No. Okay, there's a cave in there. Why is there like... Ooh, that's cool.
Those are probably tadpoles.
What?
Look how fast they're swimming. They're like swimming in a figure 8.
Where?
Right there, all those little tadpoles.
Yeah.
Those black
Those
black
things.
dots.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, those things.
Tadpoles!
Ah!
Tadpoles. Shoot
I don't see no tadpoles.
Tadpoles?
Those little black things.
Yeah.
They're really tiny.
No, those are water bugs.
I saw a drag. I see.
Whoa, they're like, those are
We
water
got
bugs.
to see water bugs.
I saw more water bugs. They're like,
It's so hot out here. Good thing I put on sunscreen. I am like sweating. Probably wasn't a good idea to put on these socks. Are you hot, Mom?
I feel like there's bugs in my nose.
That looks pretty.
Wow.
That's all the gutter water from Vegas.
Yeah, right? It is. Yeah.
you get to see like a water
Let us see this. Look at that. guppy.
You saw a guppy?
Let me have the camera. Right down there. There's some guppies. Do you see those right there? Guppies. Mom, do you see those?
Yeah.
See those?
Yes, I do see them. Yes, I do see them. Awesome.
That was cool.
Seats.
Yeah.
Mom, Mom, look at that big nest up there. It's up there.
Another one?
That one. Leave a hole in it.
Ooh, what do you think ate that? Moth?
No. Like maybe a worm?
Worms, maybe?
Caterpillar?
Oh, yeah. This one, it was like a buffet.
Yeah.
Like some kind
Could
of eggs or
be a
something?
fungus or something growing on it.
Ew!
It's okay.
Ew, fungus.
It's okay. That's just another plant.
Well, is it
But I don't know.
contagious?
No.
Is it contagious? Those are crickets.
Don't scare them so the boys can see
This
them.
looks like there's pretty much a home for
Let me
all the
see.
ants. And you can see they got all their different holes and their trails. And look, there's their babies.
Where?
Those white, yeah, those white larvae. That's the babies.
Oh, he's like bringing it somewhere.
Yeah, they're gonna bring it inside now to protect it.
Ew, gross, gross.
Whoa, they have the stingers.
Oh, one moved. Oh, wait.
Yeah, they're taking them down.
They're fire ants.
So you can see the larvae.
They're taking
Oh, white things.
What about the eggs?
They're saving their...
That's-
They're putting the eggs down under. They're putting the eggs under the ground so they can.
right
So they're okay.
Yeah, they're gonna take them under.
Where the
Because this little hole goes way down, and they got all kinds of trails, and they got a big stack of these
And they
down
got
there
this
somewhere.
one big room where there's just like a
You're
queen and a bunch of.
Yep, and there's tons of eggs.
And there's like 7,000 ants in that one room. Yep.
So what it does is it molts. It comes out of that. The actual bug will come out of that, leave its skin behind, and then later on it will do it again as it grows.
I don't see
It's called molting.
No. It's just basically
It's called
getting rid of the
multi-purpose, bro.
skin. All right, you ready?
It's called molting.
All right, everybody line up.